थै तत्त जग जग दत्तरी दत्तरी तहाम दित्ता उटकद गणद दत्तक थूंगी थै अंगी तंगी कड़ जग्गी धा कतदा धा किड़दगदा दिन दिन तार धीक दिगिट दगे तक्का थूंगा अरदल मरदल बुद्ध विनायक दिलकत उर्लो गणपति गौतम गत्थो जय 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 कुकुथरी कुकुथम घंतम तरिक कथरिकिड आलम गत्थो तक दिगिट दगे तक्का थूंगा देवन गत्थो तक दिगिट दगे जग 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 थै अंगी तंगी कड़ जग्गी धा. Namaskar, I am Tribhuvan Maharaj, and what you have just witnessed is an invocation to Lord Ganesh in the sacred language of Kathak. I am the grandson of legendary Kathak maestro Padma Vibhushan Pandit Birju Maharaj ji and son and disciple of Pandit Jai Kishan Maharaj ji. I represent the 9th generation. I represent the 9th generation in the illustrious lineage of Kalka Bindadin Gharana from Lucknow, which was founded by Pandit Ishwari Prasad ji, first generation, in the 1700s. I have been trained under the ancient practice of Guru Shishya Parampara, from where the knowledge flows from a Guru to the Shishya, and then the Shishya becomes the Guru and passes on the torch from generation to generation. Katha kahe so kathik kahave. One who tells a story is called a kathik. Now kathik is a biradri, a community which consisted of 989 houses in a small village called Kichkila in Handia Tehsil of Prayagraj. We are all here together to understand the story of Kathak. Fast forward to Mughal Kal. Nawab Wajid Ali Shah of Lucknow, who was a great composer and an art connoisseur himself, had the greatest pool of singers and percussionists in his court. However, he didn't have the dancers. So his Mashalchi, now who's a Mashalchi? The Mashalchi's job is to light all the torches in the palace of the Nawab. So he knew our family back in Kichkila, and he suggested the Nawab, please call them, invite them to your court because they're excellent at their work. And the Nawab did just that. And hence, the trinity of Sangeet, Gayan, Vadan and Nritya was completed. And with that, the Kathak of our Gharana, my Gharana, got its identity. Lucknow Gharana was born in the courts of Nawab. So we see how from Mandir Kal, very basic gestures, nothing much to do, we have come to this, creating compositions according to situations, according to the demands of the king. In today's time, now, we call it Rang Manch Kal, the third era of Kathak. Everything that is above my head, the entire universe, is enveloped in Ta. Second word, Thei. Everything which is below your feet, the Patal Lok, is being enveloped into the dancer. Tat is the surface on which we all exist. So, the dancer is the embodiment of the entire cosmos. Ta, Thei, Tat. Dagdunagdagda, din din dada, din din dada, tin tin ta, din din da. Ta thei tagit tadai thei tagit tadai tagit tadai ta 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 tadai ta thei tagit tadai thei tagit tadai tagit tadai ta 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 tadai ta thei tagit tadai thei tagit tadai tagit tadai ta 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 tadai. See how only 3 words can create magic. Ta, Thei and Tat. Let's talk about a few compositions from my grandfather, Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji. He always found inspiration everywhere, from the nature, majorly. So once he traveled south, and in south we know there are so many dance forms. There's Bharatnatyam, and he just heard their terminologies and he really liked them, and he said, I want to incorporate this in Kathak. And the result of it was a very percussive sound that was created. I'll give you a small example. So a percussion was created, right? Want to see this? Let's go. So all I want to say is the inspiration is coming from each and every living or non-living being, and it is reaching us. Let's take it and make the most of it. Okay, who all has played Snakes and Ladders here? Everybody. That's so nice. I'm very happy when I'm always relatable to all of you. If I tell you something, there's no story, I'm just telling you. And that story goes like, एक ए दो तीन ए दो चार ए दो पाँच ए दो पाँच ए दो पाँच सात ए दो पाँच सात आठ सात छः पाँच चार तीन दो एक. कुछ समझ आया? नहीं? Now look what happens when you just give them a short little push towards bhav, abhinay. What if I say that this entire tihai is the entire game of Snakes and Ladders? See. So I open the board and there are two players. Then da da then ta. एक ए दो तीन ए दो चार ए दो पाँच ए दो पाँच ए दो पाँच सात ए दो पाँच सात आठ सात छः पाँच चार तीन दो एक. There are so many things to listen and learn, and you cannot fathom the amount of creativity, the amount of power that your brain can create in this realm of Kathak. One story, I don't know how many of you will understand the Leela, okay? There is one very famous Krishna's Leela, where जो हमारी सखियाँ थी, गोपियाँ थी, वो नग्न अवस्था में पानी में नहा रही थी. And what Krishna did was, took all of their clothes and hung it on a tree and sat there looking at them. Now what do we say to that? Oh, Krishna is very naughty. He does all these things, he's very naughty. Matki फोड़ देते थे, कुछ कर देते थे. But what if I say that every Leela, don't forget he is Vishnu. If I say that every Leela that he does is for a reason, I'll tell you that reason now. We know that all our rivers are named after Devis, goddesses. There is Yamuna, there is Ganga. But do you know, water as an element itself is a male entity. Water as an element is considered to be a male entity. The rivers are goddesses, but the water is an element. So Krishna said, just to teach them a lesson, he said, अगर आप इनमें नग्न अवस्था में समा सकती हैं, तो फिर मैं देखूं क्या फर्क पड़ता है. भाई मैं भी नर हूं, वो भी नर है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. So it was just to make them understand, not to be fully unclothed if you are taking a bath in public. तत्तत्ता त्रकदंदन झिझिकिटथो थुड़ंग तक थुन तक तिगधा दिग दिगधई तिगधा दिग दिगधई तिगधा दिग दिगधई. Anybody understands what I'm saying? What if I say the story I've just told you is inside this little syllable that I've just recited? तत्तत्ता त्रकदंदन झिझिकिटथो थुड़ंग तक थुन तक तिगधा दिग दिगधई तिगधा दिग दिगधई तिगधा दिग दिगधई. I want to talk about the lost relics of Kathak. Some knowledge that is being passed on, it's a good thing, but there are a lot of things जो परंपरागत तरीके से सिर्फ मुझे मिली है. I will share that with you today. तत्तत्ता, first word लेते हैं. तत्तत्ता. It is coming from the word तकना. तकने का मतलब होता है देखना. Okay? ताकना is coming from there. तो it's not तत्तत्ता, it's तक तकता. किससे देखते हैं हम? आंखों से. आंखों का एक सिनोनिम है नयन, लोचन, दृग. वो त्रक है दृग. तक तकता दृगदंदन. सो तत्तत्ता त्रगदंदन बिकेम तक तकता दृगदंदन. कौन किसको देख रहा है? गोपियां कृष्ण को देख रही हैं और कृष्ण गोपियों को देख रहे हैं पेड़ पे चढ़ के. झिझिकिट थो थुड़ंग तक थुन तक. अब ये झिझिकिट थो इज अ वेरी हिंदी वर्ड यू ऑल नो. झिझकना. झिझकना मतलब टू बी शाय. झिझकना, लज्जा आ जाना. तो जब उन्होंने कृष्ण को देखा डेफिनेटली उनको लज्जा आ गई. तो झिझकिट थो, झिझक गई उनको देख के. और उन्होंने शी कुडंट कम आउट, दे कुडंट कम आउट. बाहर तो नहीं आ सकते. तो व्हाट अदर option do they have? Go inside the water so that Krishna can't see. So they took a plunge. Tho thudang tak thun tak. And what happens when you throw a stone in water? It creates ripples, right? Concentric circles. So anything which is dipped in water creates circles. So as soon as they got down, it made ripples. Tigdha dig dig thai, tigdha dig dig thai, tigdha dig dig thai. So तत्तत्ता त्रकदंदन झिझिकिट थो थुड़ंग तक थुन तक तिगधा दिग दिग थई तिगधा दिग दिग थई तिगधा दिग दिग थई. A short leela in the language of Kathak. I'll share another one with you. When I say dhata kathunga, these are words from an aspect of Kathak which is called paran. Dhata kathunga, dhage dinge ta. धाधिनता धित्ता किटधा तक्का थूंगा. अगेन सडनली एवरीथिंग बिकम्स मीनिंगलेस. अरे ये क्या बोल दिया, है ना? सी, धा इज द अटेंशन. आई एम गेनिंग योर अटेंशन. धा, लुक एट मी. तक, करेक्ट, देखो. धा तक थूंग. अभी जो थूंग का वर्ड है इसमें थ पे बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा लगती है और एक चंद्र बिंदु लगती है. ओके, दैट थू इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी कृष्ण एंड दैट चंद्र बिंदु इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी शिव, द कॉस्मिक डांसर. धा धा अटेंशन, देखो. तक, थूंगा, कृष्ण और शिव एक संग नाच रहे हैं. धा तक थूंगा. कैसे नाच रहे हैं? धागे दींगे ता. उनका नाच ताल में धागे की तरह पिरोया हुआ है. धागे दींगे ता. और उनको देख के सब हर्षित होते हैं, आनंदित होते हैं, तो नाचने लगते हैं. धा दिनता धित्ता किट धा तक का थूंगा. और उनके गुणगान गाने लगते हैं. सो दीज आर द लॉस्ट रेलिक्स जो हम दर 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 करके बोल देते हैं बट किसी को समझ नहीं आता. बट देयर इज अ स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट. दिस स्टोरी. There's a very interesting story behind there is a very interesting story behind the नामकरण of Kathak also. कथक बोलने को बड़ा आसान है. कथा से कथक निकला होगा because we are story tellers, हम कहानी बोलते हैं तो कथा से कथक निकला होगा. But there's always a much more deeper sense to it. Something deep is going on. कथक, क भगवान कृष्ण को डिनोट करता है. शुरू भी क से है और अंत भी क पे. इट्स द रियलिटी, द सर्कल ऑफ लाइफ. आदि भी वही, अनंत भी वही, कृष्ण से ही शुरू होकर कृष्ण पर ही खत्म होने वाला नृत्य। पर ये थ क्या है? थ इज द 17th alphabet of our Hindi Varnamala. But now Krishna is residing on the 60 on the ka, so he has taken up that space. So th comes down to 16th place. आपको पता है कि कला 16 प्रकार की होती हैं। नृत्य कला है, ललित कला है, शिल्प कला है, ऐसे करके 16 कलाएं हैं। एंड वी बिलीव दैट लॉर्ड कृष्णा पारंगत थे, मास्टर्ड all the 16 kalas. So Krishna in the front, the person who has mastered all the 16 kalas, and the world starts and ends with him. The Kathak, which is based on Lord Krishna. Kathak. That's how it has come to be. I want to do a very small exercise with you, just to make you understand that you can also be a part of this presentation with me. I'm going to recite something. Listen very carefully, everybody. एक एक दो, एक दो, एक दो, एक दो तीन, एक दो, एक दो तीन चार, एक दो, एक दो तीन चार पाँच, एक एक दो, एक दो, एक दो, एक दो तीन, एक दो, एक दो तीन चार, एक दो, एक दो तीन चार पाँच, एक एक दो, एक दो, एक दो, एक दो तीन, एक दो, एक दो तीन चार, एक दो, एक दो तीन चार पाँच। याद हो गया? नहीं? ओके, सो देर इज वन पार्ट ऑफ इट, LHS RHS लेते हैं, मैथ्स सबको आती है ना? ग्रेट, सारे मैथ्स वाले खुश हो गए होंगे। LHS RHS, हाँ, समथिंग दिस वी नो। ओके, LHS and RHS, the LHS is incrementing, it's saying एक, but the RHS remains the same. मैं नहीं हिलूंगा। एक एक दो, एक दो, एक दो, एक दो तीन, एक दो, एक दो तीन चार, एक दो, एक दो तीन चार पाँच, and repeat the process. Okay, so I'll play the incrementing part and you'll play the stagnant part. Okay, and how will you show me the ek do? By clapping. Clap. Thank you. Okay, so when I go ek, you'll say clap, clap. When I'll say ek do, you'll say clap, clap. Okay, and see how it'll come on sum. Sum is the first matra. दागे तू ना करते धा दिन दिन धा दिन दिन धा तिन तिन ता त्रक दिन दिन ना धा दिन दिन धा तिन तिन ता। एक एक दो तीन, एक दो तीन चार, एक दो तीन चार पाँच, एक एक दो तीन, एक दो तीन चार, एक दो तीन चार पाँच, एक दो तीन, एक दो तीन चार, एक दो तीन चार पाँच। डन। You have been a fabulous, fabulous audience. Thank you for helping me with this.